Guys, and welcome to Al Crash Repair Center. We have a very nice and beautiful project for you guys. um, I've already posted a short video for that car. It's 335 full conversion from axle to the body, to M3. Now what we're doing at the moment, we're putting a full kit from from M4 into 335 as well, N54 engine. As you can see here, the pipes, we have extend them. We have to do some aluminium welding. We changed the radiators so we can put extra coolant into it. This is the M3 radiator V8, and then we have the charge cooler. That's how we done the brackets. It look beautiful. The fitment, we have put the slump panel, fit perfectly. All these pipes are gonna be connected soon. And then of course we have done a flat radiator down here, exactly same the way is being fitted on the M3 and the M4. So we're gonna post another video when we start the car. And then of course we got one filter, air filter is gonna come through here, and then we got the other one, it's gonna fit here as well. And then we got the water pump, we put water pump down there as well. This is absolutely amazing project, to be honest with you guys. And then we got another radiator here as well. Very interesting project. Nobody has done it in UK yet, and I just want to show you the car again. Of course, discs and the brake pads and calipers from M4, it's quite big. So this is the car again. So this is what we need. We don't want it straight. We need it exactly same as this one. This is different angle, kind of straight. It's not really bend. So that's what we need. Now it's being cut, and we have to tag it one here, just to give it a try. If it's all good, we have to weld it all around. But of course, we have to clean the edge from inside. We don't need any sharp stuff, or in case if we left them, it might go somewhere. So it has to be like that, nice and smooth. Here you go, you can see the turbo a little bit there, that's the hole, and this is the one we just cut and welded it, and now we're sitting on the right place. We have a good gap between the steering, and we have a good gap with the manifold, the exhaust. So the good thing, because as you can see, the steering, this is for the M3, it's not the original one. Original was quite thick. If we left the original steering, you'll have no gap at all, and then we have to bend the pipe. So that's why we have a good gap here, because this is a steering M3 steering rack. But it's all good, it's all perfect. We're happy with it now. And we have started the car. We only had a little tiny issue from the oil coolant for the gearbox, little bit oil from the connector, so that's been replaced, the inner one, not the outer one. You can see some oil here on the floor, and we replaced it, we started, so all good. So now we're doing another video for you guys, just to show you when we need to start the car now. This is the radiator we spoke about This is the sorry, it's not radiator, this is the coolant, oil coolant for the engine. We made it flat. Now the car is started, and this is the another radiator coolant as well. That's one of the filter, air filter here. The second air filter there is straight into that hole, so the air goes into it. So this is the cold start at the moment. No oil issue, no water leak. Everything is perfect. We're really happy with the result as well. And then of course the end of the third video, we're gonna put the description exactly what we have done with our project, because if you need to do it, guys, in the future, so you know what you need to get. But we're gonna make sure the cars run properly and everything is perfect before we release anything else for you guys. But as you can see, it was cold start, and now the cars come down a bit. Rev it a bit, please, Masen. That's the project. We were working on it, and now it's completed. As you know, full conversion to M3, and now we have installed the bumper and we put new spoiler on it. Looks amazing. And we upgrade the headlamps as well. We put LED lamp headlights, so it looks fantastic when the lights goes on. Here you go, absolutely amazing. And we're going to open the hood now, and then we're gonna show you what we have done, and we're going to start the car for you guys as well. Here you go, look at the beauty, the way we've done it, absolutely fantastic. So just to remind you quickly, this is N54 engine. We deleted the intercooler and then we put a charged cooler. So the car's been moved, we've driven it. This is the radiator we installed, the coolant. It's like the M4 and the M3 goes flat. The other cooler, the extra one, we put it there. Absolutely successfully. We've driven the car, no oil leak, no water leak. Absolutely amazing, absolutely amazing. We're very happy with the results. Of course, this is our car, so the way we've done it, of course, even if you're gonna go to the mechanic to do it for you guys, nobody gonna do that kind of job. It's a lots of effort. Forget about the money. Money, it's easy, you can buy the stuff, you can do it, money talks, but it's very complicated job. But absolutely fantastic. That's the air filter here. Please, can you rev it a little bit, cousin? Yeah. Thank you, guys. This is the result of our project. Thank you very much for watching the video. As I told you on the other video, any question, anything you need to ask, please feel free, and they will definitely guide you, and then we'll take it from there. Thank you, guys.